it's time for another vlog, and this one's an unusual one because we decided to do things differently in this one, take this vlog in a different direction because we've been in Dubai and we've been shooting like, you know, crazy stuff and all of that. But we thought we'll do something different for this one, and that is we're going to one of the most haunted places in Dubai. Yes, that's right, you heard it right. It's called the Qasimi Palace, and it's supposed to be one of the most haunted places in Dubai. So apparently, if you go there at night, people have seen, you know, figures or, you know, silhouettes of other people, children looking out of the palace window, stuff like that. So yeah, we're gonna go there and see if they're up for a chat, or maybe we could, you know, just like wave at them or something. So yeah, let's see how this turns out. Alright, so we've reached the place, but it's a little disappointing. Yo, unlock the car. Haunted! Haunted alert! Sid, close the door. So this is a little disappointing. As you guys can see, this palace is lit. I don't understand what's going on here. Oh, ये नींबू मिर्ची नहीं है bro.
ये कुछ तो है. I don't understand what is this, but
अरे यार, must be some food. Shut the f up, dude. What does this board say?
It's saying haunted palace.
Discover secrets of the Palace of Mystery. Haunted Palace. If this is so lit, how the f do you expect to see anything haunted over here?
That, look at that. That is more haunted. इससे यार, ये इससे ज़्यादा तो वो लग रहा है मुझे. ये क्या हो गया?
There's an old car here.
नहीं, काम करते हैं, हम सुरंग बना के अंदर जाते हैं. चलो तो.
Sit
Don't.
Listen, come here. Listen.
क्या दिखा?
कुछ नहीं आना. अरे come here.
क्या दिखा?
Nothing, bro. Chill. All good. Come here. Come with me. See, I might be tripping. But, dude, listen. Does it look like someone speaking from this window? Sit, come here. Who's around here? Why are you being such a
Dude, it was written clearly on Google that there is always someone like, you see children and all peeking. Don't fuck up.
Duan, that was Duan walking. Oh shit, I got a heart attack, bro. Duan. Yo, dude, behaving like freaking like someone's at that window, bro. Guys.
See, I don't even want to come there. Please just move away. It's a haunted palace. What the fuck is wrong with you, यार? ये लिखा हुआ है ना यहाँ पर कुछ होगा. चलो, चलते हैं यहाँ से.
अरे चलते क्यों? दुआन इधर आना. Come with me. Let's go.
चलो यार, चलते हैं यहाँ से.
अरे stop being a.
Do you even know this place was locked up for 30 years?
Where
30 years.
Where the
locked up.
Where the did you read that?
Just see this one. Just see this one.
What?
This place was locked up for 30 years.
The first stage of opening.
This place was locked
After
up for 30 years.
some information for you guys. After over 30 years, locked door. Be the first to visit the Palace of Mystery before carrying out large development work. Horror adventures, restaurant, cafes and hotel rooms. Yo, what the f***, bro? This is a total bust. This is such a flop, bro. I thought... Yeah, I thought that this would be like more haunted or some shit like that. I'm gonna try and zoom in as much as I can to see if, like, you know, someone like pops a hand.
From far away, I think they can see how lit it is. I heard something right now.
No, bro, there's no shit here, bro. Well, I guess we see you guys later then.
आके ना गोश्त चमाट मारेगा एक मस्त. फाट करके देगा बोले निकाल.
We've got Duan chilling and checking it out over there. Yeah, but there's a light flickering. Did you check that out? That's the only haunted thing that we've got out here. A light flickering.
It's pretty weird because that car doesn't have a number plate.
Oh, what?
So I checked the back. There's no number plate. This car looks pretty old.
Okay, so this car has a number plate.
And
This
it's unlocked.
What?
What? Want me to open it?
Try?
It's unlocked.
No,
No, it's locked.
no, it's locked, bro. Oh, it's unlocked. Oh, mother. Yo! What's in there? His car is broken.
It is broken.
And the visor's also broken in there.
It's rusted in this car.
The weird thing is,
Yeah.
it's like a graveyard in the back. What? You see that? There are sand like some. You see that? It's a sand and then it's a pit where the guy comes in.
No, what bullshit, bro.
Yeah, they bury the hatchet. You see that? That's a fake ceiling.
Oh!
Want me to open the boot?
Why not?
White
You
unnecessary
see that?
trouble.
Yo, what if there's a dead body? Yo.
Don't. Guys are nuts.
Sis losing his You know what happens? The minute a haunted place becomes a tourist attraction, it gets because then the ghosts are like, you know what, this.
ये तो सब लोग आके फोटो खींच रहे हैं यार. ये नहीं लग रहा है यार. ये तो फोटो खींच रहे हैं यार हमारा.
Later.
Alright, so we didn't get anything at Kasimi Palace. So now my man Duan's got us to this other place. It's right ahead, this staycation resort called Babel Shams. It is dark as fuck. And it's f***ing cold outside. Yo, are we gonna stop here and get out and shit?
No way.
Oh
man.
yeah,
No
we
way, no
are.
way, no
Oh
way.
yes, we are, bro. I thought I heard like a rattlesnake or something.
There are snakes in this desert.
Yeah, I know. Yo, it's f***ing freezing out here. You're the biggest in the room.
I am, but it doesn't happen
Oh.
with no reason, right?
Should I like YOLO?
Later. Much later.
No. The whole camera is shaking. I got tears in my eyes. If you guys can see, I'm crying. I'm crying because it's cold. I'm sleepy. Yo, what now, Duan?
This is just like barren desert, bro. It's just desert. You're not gonna get any paranormal activity here, dude.
A few minutes later.
Yo, so we drove for like about an hour or maybe more, and yeah, we still couldn't find anything. So now we've like stopped. We're gonna eat something. Grab a bite, maybe some chips or something, because we won't get anything else to eat. If these guys have food, Sid's gone in there to get something. What's up with you, bro? How cold are you feeling? Huh? Sid is so pissed.
1 hour later.
Alright, so this vlog was a bit of a disaster because we did not experience any paranormal activity, and yeah, that marks the end of my career as a ghost hunter and also the end of this vlog. So please guys, make sure you slap that like button, comment, subscribe if you still haven't, share it, and I will see you next time. Yo, Sid, you okay, right?
No man, I'm not feeling well.
Yo, you're not possessed or some shit, right?